In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to n8n. By the end, you'll have a secure connection set up so your n8n workflows can read from or write to your Airtable bases. You'll need access to an n8n workspace and an Airtable account. No prior automation experience is required, just follow along. Start by opening n8n in your browser. From a new blank workflow, you'll see an empty canvas waiting for your first node. Click the Add First Step button in the middle of the screen. This opens the node picker, where you can choose from hundreds of integrations. In the search bar, type Airtable, then click the Airtable node. n8n will add it to your canvas and open its settings panel on the right. Before we connect credentials, choose an action that matches what you want to do. For example, you might list records, create a record, or update a record. Don't worry, you can change this later if you're still deciding. Your action choice simply helps n8n show the right fields for your use case. Now it's time to connect your Airtable account. In the node settings, look for the credentials or credential to connect with section and open the drop-down. Select Create New Credential. n8n supports two authentication methods for Airtable, Access Token or OAuth2. Pick the one that fits your setup. Access Token is the simplest route. You'll provide a personal access token that you've created in Airtable, ideally scoped with only the permissions and bases your workflow needs. This is great for quick setups, prototyping, or personal automations. Keep your token private and store it only in n8n's Credentials Manager. OAuth2 is ideal when you're connecting team-owned resources or you prefer a more centralized way of granting and revoking access. With OAuth2, you'll enter a client ID and client secret from your Airtable developer settings, then complete a short approval flow. This approach often makes permission management and rotation easier in larger teams. Whichever method you choose, give your credential a clear name so you can reuse it in future workflows, then click Save. n8n will securely store the credential and the Airtable node should show that it's connected. If the connection doesn't validate, double-check your token or OAuth2 app details, ensure the right scopes are granted, and confirm you have access to the base you plan to use. That's it, your Airtable account is now connected to n8n, and you can continue configuring fields like base, table, and view for your chosen action. From here, you're ready to build automations that sync, enrich, or route Airtable data exactly where you need it.